Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix Vsapint.sys loop dump screen on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So both version. So facing this problem, Vsapint.sys. So I have 6 ways to clear this problem, resolve this problem. So firstly, disconnect your external device like pen drive, external hard disk, and any gaming instrument. So then restart. And second way is the proper update your Windows. Click to Windows icon, start bar, and then click to setting, and then update and security. Then now my last update yesterday 5:15 p.m. so you can click to check update. Okay, so yeah. And third way is uninstall recently. So you can many update launch from Windows 4, so getting this problem. So that's why. So how to uninstall latest update? So click to start button, type control panel, then click uninstall program and view install update. This is so like my problems getting in 27 then. So that's why I uninstall both update 1 to 2 update install, then restart. So you can disable your live update. And okay, so then I have uninstall third party software, like have any third party software in your system, so you can uninstall. Like I have password recovery, so you can uninstall this program. And finally, restore your system previous time. So guys, you can restore your system previous time like 2 to 3 days ago. So you can solve your problem. I show you how to restore. So guys, rstrui, this is, now I am copying, but you can enter. So then I start plus R, then I paste here, and then OK. Now this is opening restore system file setting, and then click to next, and then I have a 5622 previous rest image. So I just click and then next, and then restart. So guys, thank you. I hope you clear all the problems. Can you have any other support? Please give me some comment box. I will give you support. So guys, thank you. Bye bye.